Hey people, just a quick review on my guitars. Um, I'm gonna start off with my White Search special. It's a Mockingbird special. I've had it for about 3 months. I've been playing it. Pretty good guitar, and it cost me about $550, and I got it. This is a $1,000 guitar, but I got it half price, so it was good deal. Um, Very good guitar. It is very solid. And, as you can see, it's chromed all the way around. The whole fucking guitar is chromed. And except for the neck, but it's almost like black. It's not it's not light, but it gets the job done. That's all that matters. And it has rocking feel stuff. Ibanez, that's wood. It was Ibanez free fretboard with Collab Pro inlays, and you have rock and feel. Um, oh god, that's terrible. Lighting, this R1 one. Rock and feel pickups. Um, they're also in chrome, which is an amazing guitar. I just love this clean piece of artwork. Um, really nice knob work and all that shit. And the headstock is, I don't really like it, but it's okay. Special. Comes with a case and everything. Really good buy. Best guitar I've ever played. It's neck through. None of that bolt-on shit that you buy. um, it's not active pickup switches and add buttons, or you're not using that, right? What I was gonna say about these are three-way switch and a four-knob tone control. There are two tones here and two volume switch control. Um, oh fuck, I can't even get it up there. Um, this one, this one controls this one, and this one controls this one. Actually, yes, I think I have it correct. I'm not sure, but good guitar, guys. I'll upload my shit tomorrow, and I'll be playing this guitar tomorrow. So catch you later. Peace.